Audi A6. It's have screen and it's always black. Radio is working, music is. It was working now. Yes, it's working. Just no screen. So today I try to fix that. Try to open some to look what is what. Try to take out all these plastics. And we will see what I gonna find inside. If I stop car, open door, screen is going inside. It's going out. So gonna try to look. I not film process, but I try to show a little bit how I have opened. So to take apart, first what you must do, so take this cover from here. This one I'm not sure is it need take, but it's need to take out first. So after you taking out these covers, there is one bolt, and in other side is same one bolt. After you must wiggle and take out from this pin which stands inside here in this hole. After you take that, you must take out this plastic from up. This plastic is also holding just 4 pins. I started from that side. That side was very easy. Here was more difficult. Wiggle, take out, and after it's jump out. After you're gonna find 4 screws. Open that screws. After fall down this one, and after you can take out this one. And here gonna be moment of truth. What is problem? And after I took out this, here I see nothing strange, nothing broken. So maybe it could be screen damaged or something. But what I gonna do now, I gonna measure plus minus here. Here is signal cable for this TV, and here must come power supply. I'm gonna check is it coming here or not. And in this connector is no power supply, nothing. So must try to look, maybe somewhere here is broken wire. So yes, it was broken wire. Here is one, another one I have already cut it out. I have soldered new one. Another one, brown, was broken somewhere here, and this one also soon gonna broke. I slide it out with material, and I found that is ground cable was broken. So I'm gonna change cable, install the little softer cable from speaker. We will see how it will last. And the screen is still not working, and I little checked what is problem. It's not coming power supply to those cables. And what I found, well, I found that this fuse number 2 is broken. So I get another fuse got, and here you go. Screen is working. Turn off. Turn on. Yes. In passenger side is fuse box, and this fuse box we have five amp fuse. Oh, I forget safety. Okay, like, share and subscribe if you like it.